Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 Mercedes-Benz GLA-250 featured in mountain gray metallic with a black interior. Under the hood sits a 2-liter turbocharged engine paired to a 7-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated front seats, a power liftgate, rain sensing wipers, Bluetooth connection, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door. We have power lock and unlock, memory seating, as well as power seating and lumbar. Powered windows and mirrors, of course. Liftgate controls down below with some cup holder space. Taking a look at the seats, down to the bottom left is the power seating, or power lumbar, sorry. Hopping inside, just to the left here we have our lighting controls. Taking a look at the steering wheel here. On the left side is our cluster controls, and on the right side we have our Bluetooth controls. Taking a look at the infotainment screen, here's our audio. It comes equipped with AM and FM. We can also connect a phone using Bluetooth. We can also take a look at the navigation and the map there, and we can throw it in reverse and check out the backup camera. Just below that here, we have our infotainment screen controls. We also have some climate controls, including the heated front seats for both driver and passenger. We have our parking assist. Just below that, we have the rest of the climate controls. Here we have some storage, cup holder space, more cup holders, infotainment screen controls, and the center console. Popping that open, we have a good amount of storage space. Up top is the rear view mirror. Just above that, place to hold your sunglasses, 2 dome lights, and the power sunroof controls. Here is the sunroof, and here is the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels. We have color-matched mirror caps and door handles with keyless entry, privacy tint on the rear windows. Making our way to the back, we have some Mercedes badging as well as the trim there. To open up the back, all we gotta do is press and hold on the key fob. It's gonna pop open for us. We have a good amount of storage space back here. We also have some hidden storage down below. Plenty of extra space and added space on either side. We can drop these rear seats down, making a ton of extra storage, and we can close it up by just pushing the button. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door with powered window, storage space below. We have a 60-40 seat split, and we can hop inside. The back of each seat we have magazine holders. In the middle are rear vents. Up at the top, handles paired with the dome light matched on the other side. And in the middle here, we can drop this down to reveal an armrest with 2 cup holders. We have a great view of the front and rear power sunroof, and here's a view from the back. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2015 Mercedes-Benz GLA-250. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. We hope to see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.